Understanding, in someone's pocket, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase that often pops up in conversations, in someone's pocket. Stick around to discover what this idiom means, how to use it correctly, and some examples to help you master it. Let's get started. The phrase, in someone's pocket, is an idiom that paints a vivid picture of influence and control. When we say someone is in another person's pocket, it suggests that the person has a significant amount of control or influence over them. This can imply a range of situations, from someone being easily manipulated, to having their decisions or actions heavily influenced by another person. Understanding where an idiom comes from can often help us grasp its meaning more deeply. The phrase, in someone's pocket, likely draws from the imagery of having something or someone so under control that they are as secure and close as an object kept in a pocket. This metaphor highlights the level of influence or manipulation involved. Using idioms like, in someone's pocket, correctly can add a rich layer of expression to your English. It's often used in contexts related to politics, business, or any scenario where power dynamics are at play. For example, the mayor is in the corporation's pocket, suggests the corporation has significant influence over the mayor's decisions. I can't make that decision without consulting her. I'm basically in her pocket. It's important to note that this idiom usually carries a negative connotation, implying undue influence or lack of independence. English is rich with idioms that convey similar themes of control or influence. Phrases like, under someone's thumb, or pulling the strings, also describe situations where one individual has a dominating influence over another. Recognizing these variations can enrich your understanding and usage of English idioms. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, in someone's pocket. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting idiom, helping you to understand not just its meaning but also how to use it effectively in your conversations. Remember, mastering idioms is a great way to sound more like a native speaker and add nuance to your English. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.